Let's start from the top again, yeah. So yeah, what up people? Yeah, so this project today, we got this big spruce. This is a spruce tree. Remember when the fire happened out here in Colorado? So this was part of the windstorm that happened here. The windstorm blew down the tree, fell on top of the roof of the house. It smashed through it. So they just fixed it up. So now we're gonna actually make a memorial piece. Good now. I went too far by not paying attention, man. Because I'm using the wrong saw. My other saw is acting up, so this one will do the job. So how that goes like this. This one comes, this one goes. And it goes to join this one. I think this one we're just gonna cut as we go, man. This drawing thing ain't cutting Don't judge me yet, people. This one is hard. It looks simple, but it's so intricate. You know, it goes in and out. It goes in and out. I think it's a cryptic. Is that right? Yeah. Oh, it's a mental breakdown right here, man. Doing it for one reason and one reason only. Love is in the house. When Bongo comes, we spread love. Brush. Right now, Junior is just cleaning it. Then I'll do some little air brushing on it. So we pop it out. Siya way din na baile. Buda no. Arriba, let's go. No, attached to this piece because when I lost my shop, it's the same story, you know.
Yeah.
When I came back, my whole shop was gone.
That's right.
Yeah.
It was the same day.
Same day, yeah.
Yeah, same.
So the story sounds familiar. It's
So
like,
it
okay,
is.
this is the same story, man. So now we undid the whole string and we put it together and left love here. It's a beauty.